Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and it is that time again. Yes, I've taken a year out to write this one, but I am now extremely proud to bring you 100 slide licks for blues guitar. And yeah, as I say, I took a year to write this book because I really wanted to dig into the minutiae of each of the players that I'm digging into the style of here. This isn't just 100 licks, not 100 random licks, no. I'm presenting you with 20 of the greatest slide guitar players, both in terms of their influence on the world and the instrument, but also their influence on me. There's some great guys in here to check out. So this is a wonderful resource if you already have a good understanding of slide and you're looking to expand your vocabulary, but also if you're wanting to learn about the history of slide guitar. If you're a teacher and you want a resource to go and find some of these guys, maybe you're just a student of music in general and you want to find out some slide guitar players, maybe it's a style you're unfamiliar with, this is the place to go to find all of that stuff out. So as I say, there's 5 licks in the style of each of these guys, and I really dig in with their backgrounds, you know, the instruments they played, their famous recordings, etc, etc. So let me just reel them off real quick. We have Duane Allman, Ry Cooder, Brett Garsed, AJ Jen, Billy Gibbons, Warren Haynes, Son House, Elmore James, Robert Johnson, Sonny Landreth, Joey Landreth, Bonnie Raitt, Chris Rea, Tampa Red, Gary Rossington, Derek Trucks, Joe Walsh, Muddy Waters, Booker White, and Johnny Winter. Now that is a huge selection of players, iconic players, masters of the style, and all great players to dig into if you're wanting to expand your vocabulary. So if this sounds of interest to you, please do check out the link in the description and pick up your copy on Amazon today. Lastly, I just want to say a huge thanks to my friends over at Star Singer Slides. You'll have noticed this beautiful blue Star Singer slide on the cover of the book. These are absolutely killer ceramic slides made in Glastonbury in the UK, and each one has a unique crackle finish on them. Very, very cool. Real big fan of this, been using this for a very long time now, and yeah, they're well worth checking out. And as a gift to you guys for checking this video out, if you would be interested in me sending you this white crackle finish Star Singer slide, then leave a comment below saying, "We love you, Levi, please give me the slide." I will pick a random winner and I will get your contact information and we will post this lovely slide out to you. So as always, huge thank you to Star Singer Slides, Fundamental Changes, and all of you guys for checking out my videos and my work. Your support means a lot. Much love, guys, and I will see you for another video soon. Get sliding.